Oh, there's a plane on the runway, taxiing. That's incredible. Yeah, look at the airport. There's a plane on the runway, taking off. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, your cabin crew have been released to start their duties, but if we could ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the sign has been switched off. There are 2 toilets in the aircraft, one at the front and one at the rear. In a few moments the cabin crew will be passing through with the tax-free range, with the drinks and snacks. We have a wide selection of hot and cold snacks and drinks. We've got chocolates, nuts, crisps, savoury snack boxes and a wide selection of other things to buy. Details can be found in the brochure in the seat pocket in front of you. Please now sit back, relax and enjoy the flight, and if we can be of any further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact any one of us. Thank you.
Meine Damen und Herren, das Anschnallzeichen ist noch erleuchtet. Bleiben Sie deshalb auf Ihrem Sitzplatz und lassen Sie den Sicherheitsgurt geschlossen, bis das Zeichen nicht mehr aufleuchtet. Wir empfehlen Ihnen, dass Sie sich immer, wenn Sie sich auf dem Sitzplatz befinden, anschnallen. Die Toiletten befinden sich an beiden Enden der Kabine. Bitte denken Sie daran, dass das Rauchen zu keinem Zeitpunkt gestatten ist.